Hello and welcome back to Mastering Flat Design. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at what flat design is, and we're going to take a look at a few examples of flat web design. Now, flat design is exactly what it sounds like. It's design that's intended to be simplified so that it looks flat. There's no 3D attributes applied to any of the graphic elements here. There's no use of gradients or drop shadows or bevels or anything like that. Now, in some examples of flat design, you might see a couple of gradients here and there, but they're used very sparingly. Flat design, for the most part, consists of big, bold colors, bold typography, and bold shapes. Sometimes they have a lot of icons that go with them. So for our first example here at Envato.com, we see a beautiful flat web design here that brings attention to the content. So we can see a bold logo with flat colors. Again, there's no gradients here. We see bold, simple navigation. Each of the sections of this page have a bold color for a background, and everything really stands out. Everything's very clean. It's almost a minimal type of design, and it looks really, really nice. Another example we have is at 2012.buildconf.com. And as we scroll down, again, obviously we can see big, bold red colors here. We don't see any gradients. We see a little bit of interest up here at the top with these geometric shapes. But as we scroll down, we'll see the use of big, bold icons on top of these bold geometric shapes. And we can scroll down further to see more of the same. Another example is the Wistia.com website. Wistia is a company where you can add video to your website, and it has a lot of extra features like analytics and things like that. But as you can see on the website, it's just big, bold colors. And this website doesn't have a lot of clutter on it. That's one thing you'll see a lot with flat design is there's not a whole lot of text. There's text where there needs to be text, but there's not an overabundance of information crowding the page. So it's just a nice, big, bold, clean design. And the final example I want to look at, and one you might have been thinking of when we started talking about this concept of flat design, is the Windows website. Because if you've used Windows 8 yet, you've seen this idea of big, bold background colors with no gradients or anything like that. And their website is the same. As you can see, their logo here is much simpler than it used to be. There's not as much color in it. It's just one flat color, no gradients, no bevels, no shadows or anything like that. And as we scroll down, again, we see these background elements that are just big, bold, flat colors. And that's the basic idea behind what flat design is. So as we move forward, we're going to begin to create our own flat web design using Photoshop. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.